Chapter 1, The Dakota Way of Life. The ultimate aim of Dakota life, stripped of accessories, was quite simple. One must obey kinship rules. One must be a good relative. Ella Cara Deloria, speaking of Indians. How you doing? I was just reading this book by Diane Wilson. It's part of the Celebrating the Minnesota Native American Live series. And if you'd like to be part of a virtual event, a Zoom event celebrating the series of books, come to the Celebrating Minnesota Native American Live series virtual Zoom event, Thursday, March 25th, from 6:30 to 8. And this is put on by the by the Minnesota Humanities Center and the Minnesota American Indians in Children's Literature. It was one of the best books of 2020. It was on that list. And the series shares the biographies of Dakota and Ojibwe leaders Ella Cara Deloria, Charles Albert Bender, and Lieutenant Governor Peggy Flanagan. You can hear from the youth who have read the books as they share their favorite parts and engage the authors in discussion. And the book launch will have book giveaways and a question and answer series section, whatever. You can ask questions of the authors. And here's a list of who it features. The celebration will feature an Emcee, Deanna Standing Cloud, and the authors Jessica Engelking, Kade Ferris, Diane Wilson, and the series editors Heidi Erdrich and Gwen Westerman, and even the illustrator Tashia Hart. You can meet the person who illustrated the books. And so everybody's welcome, but you should register before, so click the link and sign up. Okay? Think that does it?
Yeah, it's pretty well. Good. Yeah.
All right. Okay, well, miigwech bizendawiag. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you there. Kigawabamin, Minowa.
Oh, wow. Oh, that was really good, sweetie.
Oh, thanks.